Hello, welcome guys. So for this task I'm going to talk about what we need to do for task 2, finding and reading information, study skills, assignment brief. So before we get this task started, you will need a reading grid, you'll need your assignment brief, and you will also need your free text which will be given by your tutor. Okay, so most of you got your tasks last week from myself, but I will give them out for those who need them. So, what we need to do, we need to be familiar with the reading grid. So, this reading grid will help you with looking at all the different reading strategies we need to employ in reading our text. So, as you can see below, you've got skimming, we've got scanning, we have reviewing, and we also have summarising. So for the skimming, what we're looking at here is we're looking at being able to read titles, being able to read headings, be familiar with table of contents. We also have graphic features. We've also got scanning here, which we're not reading the paragraphs word for word, but what we're trying to do is pull out bullet points, look at different words in different sizes, and we're also looking for key parts which are in bold. Okay, so what I've done with this is I've actually underlined the key bits that I found really important for each one, because what you're going to do after you've read the articles is you're going to do a 250 word summary of what you've done in your reading exercises and looking at areas for development. So please be familiar with your reading grid, underline the key points which you found really important. Once you've done this, you'll need to get your article out and have a look at the text which your tutor's given you. Okay, so we're going to have this next to your reading article. So as we're reading through this, what we should be trying to do is trying to have a little go at skimming or scanning or reviewing your article. So have your article at hand, have a go at trying out one or two of these strategies in your reading grid. Okay, so for example, for skimming, you need to read titles and headings. Have a look in your article, see, can you find any headings? Can you see any words that are being underlined? Can you see any key paragraphs which are in bold? What does the image tell you? What does the title tell you? So try and have a go at reading the article, trying some of these new reading strategies, and after you've read it, write some notes in your book, looking at how you feel like you've done in the activity, or what you need to maybe do for next time. So once you've done your first one, then have a go at another one, and try and use in your second article some of the reading strategy skills that you've not actually embedded yet. And again, once you've done that, try and reflect on your experience of actually using those reading strategies. So as you can see here, your 250 word summary, what I want you to do, once you've read all 3 articles and you've employed your reading strategies, and you hopefully feel a bit more confident, you know what they are, you know what you maybe need to do better for next time, I'm wanting you to write what you did in your reading exercise. So you might want to put here in your 250 word summary that for this task I read 3 articles, and for each article I tried to embed 2 different reading strategies. So i.e. maybe reviewing, maybe summarising, and I want you to tell me how did you find it when you actually used those strategies in text 1? What did you find really good? What do you think you maybe need to do better for next time? And then again, for text 2, tell me how you got on, what you need to do better for next time. And task 3, similar again. But what I want to see in a 250 word summary is for you to be writing that although I'm learning and familiarising myself with the reading strategies, I still have a lot of work to do for next time, and tell me how you're going to do it. What's your areas for development for next time you do it? Is it that you're going to add more of your own personal information in your reading grid? Are you going to re-highlight some extra bits in here? Are you going to laminate this and keep it in your notes, so when you do your next coursework you'll pull it out again? So I really want you to think about how you're going to, the next time, improve your reading strategies, how you're going to make sure that you save time, how you're going to learn how to be more familiar with your different texts. So I'm wanting you to not just say, I've conquered this, I'm an expert now at reading strategies. I want you to tell me that you've got some growth to do, that you've got you're going to do some extra research in this, and you're going to hopefully try to add in some of your own extra bits in your reading grid. So next time you read, you'll be more familiar with the reading strategies and techniques. Thank you.